Ever had that moment when you're cruising down the road, feeling like a pro, but then, bam, the bike jerks or stalls out of nowhere? It happened all because of one small mistake most beginners make. So today, we're breaking them down before it's too late. Number 1. Overgripping the handlebars. Mistake. You've probably been there. Gripping the handlebars so tightly, your fingers start to ache. This is one of the most common mistakes beginners make, and here's why it's a problem. When you grip too hard, it leads to hand fatigue, which can reduce your control over the bike. The more you squeeze, the less responsive your hands become, and the harder it is to react to what's going on around you. Over time, this can make riding feel like a constant struggle. Fix. The key here is to relax. Yes, you need to have a firm grip, but it doesn't have to feel like you're trying to crush the handlebars. Instead, keep your hands relaxed. Think of holding them like you're gripping a steering wheel in your car. On long rides, this is especially important because a relaxed grip reduces fatigue, allowing you to react quickly to changing road conditions without losing control. Pro tip: practice using different hand positions to give your palms and fingers some variety during the ride. It makes a big difference on those longer trips. Number 2. Riding in the wrong gear. Mistake. Ever found yourself in the wrong gear, struggling to accelerate or slowing down? This is another classic beginner mistake. Whether you're stuck in too high or too low of a gear, it's more than just an inconvenience. It can cause strain on your engine, slow down your reactions, and even make stopping dangerous. Fix. The solution is simple. Shift gears as needed. When you're accelerating, use a lower gear to build speed smoothly. When you're decelerating or stopping, shift to a higher gear to prevent stalling. Pay attention to your engine's sound and performance. It's usually pretty clear when you need to shift. Remember, riding in the right gear keeps your engine happy and your ride smooth. Don't just coast along and find that sweet spot that matches your speed and road conditions. If you're a beginner, this might be the most important download you ever make. I've built the ultimate used bike survival blueprint, a complete inspection, maintenance, upgrade, and negotiation guide designed to help new riders avoid expensive mistakes, bad buys, and costly breakdowns. One beginner mistake can cost more than the entire blueprint. The link in the description, grab it before the discount ends. It's just for the first 10 buyers. Number 3. Inconsistent throttle control. Mistake. Jerky throttle inputs, especially when you're just starting out, are bound to happen. You pull too much, too little, or suddenly, leading to stalling or a sudden surge in speed. This is one of those mistakes that can make you feel like you're always playing catch-up with your bike. It's unpredictable and often feels out of your control. Fix. The trick to smooth throttle control is practice. Instead of slamming on the throttle, focus on making gradual, controlled inputs. When you accelerate, gently roll the throttle open. Don't jerk it. Same with decelerating. Smoothly release the throttle rather than chopping it off. This gives you more control and makes for a much smoother ride overall. Number 4. Looking too close to the front wheel. Mistake. It's easy to focus too much on what's right in front of you, especially when you're nervous. But here's the thing, staring too closely at the front wheel means you're missing crucial information down the road. This limits your reaction time and puts you in a position where you might not see potential hazards in time to react. Fix. Look ahead, way ahead. Ideally, you should be scanning about 12 to 15 seconds in front of you. This doesn't just help you spot dangers early. It also helps you plan your next moves, like when to brake, shift, or change lanes. Keep your eyes scanning the road as far as you can, especially around corners, so you can anticipate what's coming next and make smoother, quicker decisions. Remember, these 4 mistakes can be the difference between a smooth, safe ride and a risky one. But we're not done yet. There's more. These next mistakes are just as common and can completely ruin your riding experience in 2025. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's break them down. Number 5. Improper body positioning in corners. Mistake. One of the trickiest aspects for beginners is learning how to handle turns properly. A lot of riders make the mistake of simply leaning with the bike or not shifting their body weight at all. This can lead to losing balance or not making the turn as smoothly as you should. Fix. The key is to work with your bike, not against it. As you approach a corner, lean your body in the direction of the turn, but keep the bike relatively upright. Your body should align with the bike's angle, but be sure to tilt just slightly into the turn. This technique helps you maintain stability and control. By leaning with your body, you're giving yourself better traction, which is especially important on slick or uneven surfaces. Pro tip: don't forget to relax your arms as you go into turns. Tensing up your arms or gripping too hard will make it harder for your body to move naturally with the bike. Number 6. Neglecting to check blind spots. Mistake. When you're riding, your mirrors are important, but they don't show you everything. A lot of beginner riders rely too much on mirrors to check their surroundings when changing lanes or making a move. This can be dangerous because it leaves out one crucial element: the blind spots. Fix. Before changing lanes, always take the time to perform a quick head check. This simple step gives you a clearer view of what's in your blind spots, preventing surprises. It's a habit that will quickly become second nature, and trust me, it could save you from an accident. Pro tip: if you're unsure, make it a habit to check your blind spots every time you plan to change lanes. It's one small action that can make a world of difference. Number 7. Being too aggressive with the front brake. Mistake. Braking is crucial, but many beginners tend to be too aggressive with the front brake, especially when they're learning to stop quickly or react in emergencies. Slamming on the front brake can cause your bike to flip, skid, or lose control, especially on wet or loose surfaces. Fix. When braking, use both the front and rear brakes, but do so gently. The front brake provides most of your stopping power, but modulating the brake lever helps you avoid locking the wheel. On slippery surfaces, you need to be even more cautious. Apply the brakes smoothly, with enough force to slow down without overwhelming the tires. Pro tip: when in doubt, practice braking in a safe, controlled environment. Find an empty parking lot or quiet road to get a feel for your brakes and how they react in different conditions. Before we dive into the next mistakes, if you missed the blueprint earlier, now's the time to grab it. It's still 10% off for the first 10 buyers, and honestly, it could save you more than the cost of just one repair bill. Don't wait until a mistake costs you big. Number 8. Riding without proper protective gear. Mistake. Skipping out on protective gear may seem tempting, especially in hot weather or when you're just popping out for a quick ride, but it's one of the most dangerous mistakes you can make as a beginner. Protective gear isn't just about comfort or style, it's about saving your life. Fix. Always wear the appropriate riding gear, no matter the circumstances. This includes a helmet, gloves, jacket, and boots. It's easy to overlook how much protection these items provide, but in the event of a crash, they can significantly reduce the risk of injury. Even if you're just going for a short ride, the same principles apply. Pro tip: invest in gear that's both protective and comfortable. You'll be more likely to wear it if it feels good, and comfort is key to ensuring you're always fully protected. Bonus tip: master the slow speed maneuvers. A lot of new riders struggle with slow speed control, especially when maneuvering in tight spaces or at low speeds. It's easy to feel off balance or nervous when crawling through parking lots or making tight U-turns. The trick? Practice feathering the clutch while using light throttle input. This helps maintain balance without stalling the bike. Keep your eyes forward, not on the handlebars, and use your body to shift weight smoothly. Mastering this skill is essential for staying confident during slow-speed situations and avoiding potential accidents.